today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your printer Canon Pixma TS3400 series using a MacBook. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and also if you have a USB cable you can use here. So one end goes to your printer and other end will go to your MacBook. Here you have to simply click on the system preferences. In the system preferences, click on the printers and scanners, and in this screen you have to add the printer, so click on the plus button. It will show up Canon TS3400 series USB multifunction. It will show up your printer series here. Click on it, click add button. Instantly it will add your printer. Now you can do the print and scan. Thanks for watching.